This is a review of the order trading system activity for November the 30th, 2021. We had 5 trades on that day, 4 were buys and 1 was a short sell. First trade was EKP. That's Book DLC Living. Tripped at 12:35 p.m. Price 603 is a short sell. It closed the day at 586, down 16.29%. Recovered a little bit more in here, 1.54% up, but that's a positive. Check the indicators. Volume looks like it's going down on a fairly regular basis. MACD came down, basically recovered and stabilized in the afternoon. DI, you can see DI was mostly negative in the day. Late afternoon was negative. Bollinger Band pretty much shows you that it came down, stabilized, came down slow. Stock looks like it was for the most part negative for the day. Next trade is GPS. That is the gap. Tripped at 1:51:31 p.m. The price is 16.75. It was a buy. It closed today at 16.53, down 30.43%, up 0.97% early morning, but lost over 25% of its value yesterday, so that's not bad. And the stock, you can't even tell anything there. Like, it came down and basically stayed at that level, so there's nothing there to say that that is a stock. Something else more positive. Well, take a look at the indicators to see that stock. There's just no movement that gives an indication of activity. OBB, you can see it came up a little bit in the afternoon when it tripped and then stabilized again. So volume wasn't moving too much. MACD came up, too much stabilized. DI shows that it did come up in the afternoon. It did come up in the late afternoon, not extensively. Volume on one side goes down. I'm going to say it's a negative because the stock itself was down by a massive amount. We just happened to catch it a little bit here in the early afternoon, or I'll say actually mid-afternoon. We caught it catching, jumping up here a bit, but it did maintain it, and it was not. You can see the actual price itself basically moved sideways heavily. Bollinger Band shows somewhat sideways too, but next trade is DKX. That's Dick's Sporting Goods. Tripped at 1:51:46 p.m. The price of 119.26. It was a buy. It closed the day at 117.56, down 12.93%. It was up 0% from the morning here. And this looks like it's not very clear. I'm going to go take a look at Google. It almost seems like it's not really showing an appropriate graph again. So we'll take a look at Google Finance to see what it looks like. And that's DKS. Exporting goods. Okay. Yeah, there's not. These stocks here are not showing very concretely. VIX here, 151. So I showed it here. It came back up here, but moved sideways again. So not very, very concrete. It certainly didn't move above its tripping price, so there's no opportunity there because of it. And OBB looks like it was okay. MACD looks okay. DI looks somewhat okay, but no, you can see it's It was actually more negative than positive. At the end of the day, it was negative. Bollinger Band, yeah, it came down a little bit, kind of moved sideways. So I don't feel comfortable saying that's a positive either, so that's going to be negative. Next trade is AEO. That's American Eagle Outfitters. I took at 1:52 p.m. Price of 26.09. Was a buy. Close the day at 25.89, down 3.11%. It's coming a bit here, 2.39%. So, the price here is just, the chart here is just not clear enough this morning. So I'll take a look at, yeah, you can see Google is showing a bit of a better presentation of the stock activity. Tripped at 153, roughly around here. That's 26. Let's see. So it did jump up. It's 26.12, 25, 53. So it's over 10 minutes. 26.12. See, this is where it came down again, roughly around this point. So we can see at 2:32, it went down again below, or roughly around its tripping price again. So 153 and 2:32. So we're talking over half an hour, almost 40 minutes. It's positive. I'm going to say that's a positive just because the activity in that particular period of time was showing that there was opportunity to get out. So this period here was showing a possibility there to get a positive result on that stock. We'll take a look at the indicators. Volume was up around that period of time, came down. End of the day was moving up again. MACD, same thing, came up. MACD was looking like a smooth, very positive. DI again positive. Bollinger Band showing more sideways movement activity, but a little bit of a bounce up and down. So it was moving a little bit positive, but basically sideways that stock by the end of the day. Next trade is LTHM. That is LiveNet Corporation. It's at 201, 34, 3009, closed at 3029, up 1.64%. It was up 0.69%, so that's another positive. And that shows indicator rise. Yeah, volume, good. Volume moving up steadily. MACD came up, stayed up. DI came up, stayed up. Bollinger Band came up. That stock definitely was moving positive. So that's 3 out of 5 stocks. Positive, 60% for both that and possible, because there's no explicit possible that came out to that for positive or not positive. So I'll leave it at that. Thank you.